What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So right here I have a Stihl Ms290 chainsaw right here. And this is my dad's saw, and he kind of gave it to me right now, but it's seen a lot better days. You can see there's a big gaping hole down here where there should not be any gaping hole. The handle back here has been patched like a ton. This handle right here is cracked a little bit, so I'm going to have to be reinforcing that. This right here was cut off because when it was like that, this was curved like this. So anytime you would go forward a tiny bit, it would trip off the chain brake and it would be the most aggravating thing ever. So we cut that off. I'll be ordering one of these in the future. I got, as you can see right here, and also once this got jammed in a tree one time, I then went to pull it out, cracked the handle, and also broke out the entire gas tank assembly. It cracked it. So we JB welded it, and it worked for a while, but then it started leaking again, and that time he just bought an Ms291 for like 250 bucks, which is a pretty good deal at the time. So this saw has been sitting here for a while. We ordered a whole bunch of stuff from China. We bought this thing from a Stihl 029 chainsaw, which is basically, for those who don't know, the Stihl Ms290 and the 029. The 029 was the older version of the 290, so they're basically the same saws, just a little bit different. Like this uses the old style caps, whereas this has the new style turn and twist style caps. Other than that, they're very, very similar saws. Like a little bit of the bodywork up here is a little bit different, and the way the air filter comes off, this is more straight on the 029, whereas the Ms290 is more of a rounded look and looks nicer. Other than that, that's about the same differences. And you can take a 290, all the plastic pieces, and put them on a 029, or vice versa, whatever you want, really. Same engine, a very, very similar engine, if not the same. And all this stuff is basically the same. So we bought this gas tank on eBay for cheap because it looks like the engine exploded or something and burned, kind of discolored the inside of this plastic. Not a huge deal for us because, well, it's inside of it and it's all going to be covered up, so not a big deal at all. Ordered one of these side pull covers off of eBay from China, because you can see this one right here is totally broken out. So right now we were getting wood chips up in here and clogging stuff up. It wasn't that great. Also, I'm waiting on another cap from China. Bought one for the oil side. Still waiting on one from the gas side. So this saw might not be running for a while until I get another cap. Or I might switch the caps and just run just so I can see it running. But other than that, let's start tearing this all apart and swapping out the main frame of this thing, because basically this is the base of the saw. So I gotta take everything off of it and put everything back on this. So let's get to work. Let the time lapse begin. out. I start it up. Whew, that's cold out there. Anyway, this thing runs, and it runs pretty darn well. So, I still need to hopefully the oil cap from China will eventually show up here. It's been like a month or two since I've ordered it. This one came in like 2 weeks. I don't know what the deal was with this one, but same cap fits both sides. That's good at least. So I was able to just put it in the fuel and start it up for the first time. That was awesome. New pull rope seems to work pretty good. So, other than that, I got still probably replacing either a chain brake here, the wraparound handle, or this rear handle sometime, but if you're looking at this video for instructions, it's pretty much about the same. Just tear some of it apart and replace that piece. It's pretty simple. You still have to get a chain tensioning the piece from the 290 crankcase did not fit this 029 crankcase. And I was told online that every piece fit the 029 and the 290 were swappable. This is the piece that is not swappable. I'm hoping I can find one of these pieces online for cheap, because I would not be very happy. But anyway, we got this whole thing done. Got a new crankcase in this thing for right around $40 or so. New crankcase, new pull rope, and caps. I've spent right around $45 or so, which is pretty good actually. And doing the labor myself, I had like 3 hours into it. But other than that, that's pretty good. So, if you want to check out some other videos besides when I'm fixing stuff, I got tool reviews, lots of Hummer projects, Hummer videos. Soon to be coming up another big project. I'm going to be restoring something. I feel like it's going to be pretty neat, but do crazy 570cc engines on razor scooters, four-wheeler rides, chainsaws, vlogs. Check me out! Excitement Technology. Other than that, thanks for watching Excitement Technology. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. I have a chainsaw! Do weird experiments. Bye. Subscribe. I have to go edit this.